வீடியோ இல்லைப்பா. ஓ இது எடுத்துக்கோங்க.
Doing it so excellently, your number speaks. That we don't have to, go back and look into any details on how you've been doing it. First of all, heartful congratulations, and really that's something very incredible what you guys are doing. And through this trip, supported by Shell Foundation and UK government, there is a program called Power, where the focus is to enable and encourage more women to be in the mobility sector. Now that can be achieved when the women are more in number when it comes to drivers, and that starts from training, hand-holding them through organization in your neighborhoods. But the country as a whole needs more women drivers. Across the country, women drivers are less than 2%. India's population almost 48-50% in any state. Driver population less than 2%. Only in Chennai, I think you are so many people. In other cities, there are not many women drivers. Because there are a lot of people like me who are starting our journey now in something which you have done years ago. So please, it will be a great learning if we know how you have done it, so we can, all of us can learn and build something similar across the country.
So a small clarification. This is Nana Arambikile. Okay, about 25 years back, some people got together, and we always say it is from above. It is a divine law, and he brings people together. Don't you understand? Like today, why did he choose JB? Why did he choose Vinodini? Why did he choose Mohana? Why did he choose Sarita and all these beauties? Why did he choose? Because there is a purpose. So that purpose was started in 1997, 25 years, and I joined in 2000. And I didn't think, I'm going to make a big change and things like that. Nothing like that. Because a good friend of mine, Anu Chandran, a good friend of mine was just all of us now are children are grown up, let's do something. So we just started. Then you saw the response today. How can you leave it? You cannot. So that is how we grew step by step. Then we started it with non-traditional, because those days non-traditional, traditional coolie workers are. I'm not saying coolie workers is a bad thing. வீட்டு வேலை பண்றது யாரோ நல்லா வீட்டு வேலை எல்லாம் பண்றேன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அது கஷ்டமான ஒரு தொழில். அது நான் அது ரொம்ப இன்னும் தள்ளி சொல்லவே இல்லை. அது நல்லது, ஆனா அதை விட பண்ண முடியும்னு அவங்க சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல. அது மாதிரி தான் we wanted to do something different. So we said, okay, why not nurses? Because those days nursing will be only Kerala girls. We are two Mallus over here. So only Kerala girls. So why not get somebody from here? So we started the training, got in touch with hospitals and got a good setup. Then computers came into play. The government started introducing computers. Everybody wanted to learn computers. So those old box ones, we started with that. So now we have 60 computers and 3 labs going. Then car driving was just like that. It came out of the blue because Hindustan Motors got in touch with us and said, why don't we donate a car? So then we said, why not? So that is how this car.
I rode about for 3 days nearly from Hyderabad. I went to Bangalore, and then today I came here to Chennai to meet the amazing women auto drivers, ambulance drivers, forklift drivers of Chennai. These people are truly inspiring, and the reason I am on this journey, moving boundaries, is to meet many such women drivers, take their stories and encourage more women to become mobile, like learn mobility as a skill, and also get into the field of driving, especially electric vehicles. And this is not a small change. It cannot happen overnight. Chennai is doing fantastic in this, and I hope the rest of the country follows the suit. So supported by Shell Foundation and UK government, who have come up with a excellent initiative called Powered, where from many years they are trying to encourage more women to get into these driving as livelihoods, because that is also a sustainable mobility for women in the long run. And as a part of this, we have conceptualized this campaign Moving Boundaries, where I'm traveling about 11,111 kilometers across India in 40 days, going to about 20 plus cities, interacting with the women who are already are drivers, and with the organizations who are doing an incredible job in bringing these women to a state where they can think that they can learn how to ride and also become the drivers. It's definitely not easy, but likewise there are many organizations spread across the country, and our idea is to share their stories, interact with them, exchange the learnings, and then increase the community of organizations who are working to enable more women into the sustainable mobility. So through this campaign, I would be meeting many such organizations and sharing many stories to influence the other women and ultimately make the road safer for us, the women. Thank you.